Hey guys, how you doing? Just a snippet from one of my trainings here, just how to use Dictate, or maybe why you should even use Dictate. It's exactly what it says. We'll just go in Microsoft Word online here that all you guys have for free in your Microsoft account. I just click Dictate. It says it's listening, and all of a sudden, look, bam, it's working. You can see it's picking up my words basically as fast as I could say them. So now we have to think about how could I use this in the classroom. So you could use it for that student who doesn't know how to type or types really slow. They could go on their computer, just start dictating. You could use it for when a student is practicing. Maybe they're practicing their fluency and they grab their book, they push that, they read their paragraph, and they can see if it matches up with what their book says. You could use it many different ways. Of course, if a student has a speech problem, something else, something they're working on, they could use it maybe as part of their IEPs. But try to think about how you could use this in your classroom. Obviously, you could use it on your own as well when you're just wanting to dictate something instead of typing it out. So, super easy to use, but you see, oh no, there's not punctuation and things. There are auto punctuation settings that you can have in here. Will it add something at the end of a question? Look, it added a question mark. I like dogs. I also like cats. So now, if you notice, it did add that punctuation. So now think about it both ways. Without punctuation, you could use it as a great editing and revising grammar technique. Maybe you want your students to go in, you just dictate something out, and they have to go in and fix it. Add those capital letters, find anything that's underlined red, figure out where the punctuation goes. I'm sixth grade teacher, so then I could step it up a little more and say, wait a second, I like dogs. I also like cats. Should that be a compound sentence, a complex sentence? Should we add it together? Did they do the punctuation right? You could start using it as a learning tool right there. So whether you're trying to do it just because you can't type or you want to use it as a way to further their learning, either way will work. And there's really no other settings you have to worry about. It works in Word. It works in OneNote. See, it's right there. It also works in PowerPoint. It's right there. So now you have all those options at your fingertips.